Good evening, everyone, and welcome to a Mech Merlin late night stream. I know I'm streaming later than usual. It's because I had to stay a little later at work to take care of a few things, but I am here right now. It is currently 9:09 p.m. in Seattle, so it's probably much later for vast majority of you. I know Huynh was here earlier. I think he's on the East Coast, so yeah, super late. So thanks guys for joining in so late. Yeah, today we'll be unboxing a few items, primarily the Vega from i03. Kerbal says, "What color Vega did you get?" Honestly, I don't remember. I don't remember what Vega color I got, so we'll see tonight what I ended up getting. First item that I'm unboxing. I'm not even going to show it on stream because I'm actually using it right now. I'm not sure if you guys can tell the difference, but I am using a different mic. I'm using a Sennheiser MKE600. Found a really good deal on it used, and I am now replacing the mic I've been using for the last, I'd say, 3 years right now. This is an NTG2, a Rode NTG2. Every stream up till today you heard using this mic, Rode NTG2. Reason why I'm changing it is because I've noticed with this mic I've always had to pump up my gain. So as many of you know, like I deal with a lot of background noise here. A mic like this, I needed to pump up the gain so much just to be audibly heard. So with something with a little more sensitivity, like the MKE600, hopefully it reduces the noise floor. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. So let me know. Let me know what you guys think of the sounds. Wilfer says, "Dude, yes, the MKE600 is POG. That's what I use for all my productions. Awesome, been going strong for years." Yeah, I found a good deal for it. I picked this up for 200 bucks. Normally it goes on sale for around 300. So pretty good deal, pretty good deal. It's no MKE 416, but you know, for a stream like this, I think it's fine. This next item is actually a keyboard item. Any guesses as to what this is? Here, this should give you a big clue. Turning off crisp. Bree says switches. Yeah, it switches. It switches. In fact, these switches were sent by someone currently watching the stream. Here, it's actually sent by Huynh. Huynh is currently in stream. If you guys don't know, Huynh is one of the proprietors of mechwild.com. What he sent me are some of their newest in-stock switches. These are the Bluejays and the Cardinals. More illustrations. Very cute. Very cute. Looks like he sent me Bluejays. Awesome. And the Cardinal switches. Look at that. Bluejay switches are their tactile offering. Both of these are made by Tecsee. It's going to come with the palm stem, HPE housing, 63.5 spring, Bluejay, blue housing, gray stem, and the Cardinals are also manufactured by Tecsee, also with the 63.5 spring and an HPE proprietary housing, red housing, black stem. So we'll see. Here, you know, like I don't really have a board to toss them in right now, but I can give my quick single switch initial review. As helpful as that is, it's not as hard hitting as the Neapolitans or the, like, I don't like really tactile switches because they end up hurting me. So let's see, any spring ping? Nope, no spring ping that I can hear. I don't really hear much scratch. Like Tecsee tends to have some pretty smooth switches. If I had to compare this tactility to something, it's probably closer to a Zelio V2. Yeah, closer to a Zelio V2 than a Boba U4T. These are the ones I'm actually super interested in just because I am a linear user. Okay, it's the same with the Bluejays. I don't hear any spring ping, so that's good. Huynh, are these lubed? Because with the Cardinals, I think I can hear lube in it. When it says those are stock from factory, it might have some oil in there. Okay, yeah, these feel like they've got oil in them, or some kind of lubricant. Whereas the Bluejays just feel like regular smooth switches. That is a long pole. Awesome. Can't see any lube, but I can definitely feel that the spring itself has been oiled, so that's probably it. Both switches are long pole. That's good. Alright, this feels like a drier spring. Dude, I think the Cardinals have oil on the spring, but the Bluejays are dry. I don't feel any oil on that at all. If you wanted to pick up some Bluejays, they are 30 to 60 bucks. You can pick an option 50 switches is 30 bucks. 110 switches is 60 bucks. Currently on sale, apparently, down from $66. Tecsee has been making a name for themselves. So my only experience with Tecsee before these guys is with Tecsee Ice Candy, and so far I really like them. Thank you very much, Win and MechWild. I don't quite know what I'll be putting these switches into quite yet. But yeah, today's main unboxing attraction is a board I've been waiting over a year for, and that is the Vega. About a year and a half ago, I was starting to get really tired of 65s, and I was like, you know what? I should give it another shot. So I'm gonna buy the quote-unquote best 65 on the market, and I believed that to be at the time the Vega. So I joined in on this group buy, and I still have that expectation. Like right now, my favorite 65s are the Laneware Peripherals LW67 and the RME Emery 65. Those are the two 65s that I hold to high esteem. So I'm hoping this will be the new king. We'll see. Ooh. It opens kind of like the high finger. Warning, very complex assembly. Please read the assembly guide at the following. Really? Building without the manual may lead to permanent damage. We will not be liable for any issues caused by disregarding the build manual. Really? It can't be that bad, right? Let's see. 6 parts. Begin here. Pre-build prep. Preparing the case. Assembling internals. Putting it together. Key map editing. Okay, I can skip part 6. Here we go. Part 3. Preparing the case. Remove the components from the box if not already done. Yeah, this seems fairly straightforward. Okay, gaskets on the top case as well. Okay. If no screw was inserted into the PCB conducting screw portion out the box, install this screw. Ooh, okay. Putting it all together. So there were a few things that were different. Okay, so it looks like I got a white one that looks like a whiteboard right there. There we go. These are stabilizer shims, I believe. And there is the wonderful i03 PCB. Okay, so usually I prefer having a daughter board, but looks like i03 put the USB-C on the main PCB itself. Looks very high quality to me. Let's see, interesting. The microcontroller on this seems to be blotched out. I can't really see any markings on it. It looks like it's been purposely blotched out. But of course, you know, since this does support QMK, you just have to go on QMK to find the microcontroller. Reset button right there. I see what looks to be an ESD protection circuit right underneath the USB-C port, so that's good, and a fuse. So pretty much all the things on his USB-C daughter board is on here. Oh, here we go. There's the additional ESD protection. And here are the additional foams. Foams to put on the plate. What else? Additional, I think this is the one that goes on the case itself. All the tools and feet, keyboard feet, awesome. Bunch of other additional hardware. All right, very nicely packaged. Or is it black? It's black. No, it's gray. Quinn says good night. Good night to you too. Thanks for joining in. I know it's super late for you on the East Coast, so truly appreciate you joining in and supporting me here. Also sending me some pretty awesome switches. Gray way better than the white on the Vega. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I completely forgot what I bought. That's how long ago I bought this board. Let me look at its anodization quality. Do I see any streaking? I do not. None on the outside. But we'll take it apart too, just to see. There we go. There's the bottom right there. Yeah, this is so nice. This is very beautiful. Holy crap. I've forgotten what the specs on this are. The product page. Yeah, this is a product page right there. Tailor-made typing experience. 28 custom gaskets to completely isolate the plate from the case. Dang, okay. Reference aesthetic. Stress-free circuitry. Okay, it comes pre-installed with VIA configurator compatible firmware. Very nice. So I'm glad that he said that. I think ai03 is one of the few vendors who state this correctly. A lot of people say VIA firmware. Pre-installed with VIA firmware, but that's not exactly correct. There's no such thing as VIA firmware. There's VIA enabled firmware. So I'm glad that he specifies it like this. Very cool. Thorough engineering. Oh, there's even Vega at the back of the weight. That's pretty cool. Specification 6.5 degree typing angle. Okay. 1.4 kilogram aluminum and polycarb for plate materials. I have aluminum. Okay, I've got aluminum. 329. Was it really 329? Don't remember. Layouts. Okay. I wish I would have gotten hot swap, to be honest. I wish I would have gotten hot swap. Oh, that's not magnetic. Okay, that sucks. It's not magnetic, but oh well. Alright, got all the top screws out, and knowing me, I'll probably lose these screws. So let me put it in a little baggie. Yeah, if you guys buy Durock stabilizers, don't throw away these bags. They are so useful. There we go. Comes out just like that. And of course, plate foam and case foam. Here, you guys can check out the bottom. Let me check that out. That is so beautiful. See any signs of streaking? Actually, there are slight signs of streaking inside, but not super noticeable. I just have to look at it at the right light and at the right angle. Yeah, with the gray colorway, it's harder to like see these things. All right, yeah, I can see some on this edge as well. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. Oh look, the ESD screw is in there. So quick takes on this board before I completely pack it up. I've been waiting for this board for about a year, and I had such high expectations for it. Like, I currently have an LW67 and an Emery 65, which are my top favorite 65% boards. I bought this hoping that it would dethrone both of those boards. So super high expectations. I just hope that that high expectation isn't going to make me be more critical of the board. But yeah, this is quote unquote supposedly my endgame 65. Based on today's quick unboxing experience, I am very impressed with the PCB quality. Looks very high quality. Anodization on this seems very top notch. I did see some anodization streaking on the inside of the case, which really isn't bad because I needed to turn the case at a specific angle just to see it properly. Don't know what else to say about it other than I am more excited now than I was before I unboxed it. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see when I build this guy. I was hoping I could experiment with some of these MechWild switches, but that will not be possible with the soldered board unless I want to take it apart multiple times. Carrot Cake Black says, lucky for you, Vega sounds good in 90% of configurations. That is good to hear. That is good to hear. I feel like both of my boards, my LW67 and the Emery, both clack already. So maybe I should build this as a thockier board. But we'll see. We'll see. I'll probably watch some typing sounds on YouTube or something like that. Thanks guys for joining in. Tonight I unboxed a new microphone, a couple switches from MechWild, and ended with the ai03 Vega. Yeah. We'll see what I do with all of them. We'll see what I do with the switches. We'll see what I do with the keyboard. And right now, this is the first stream in which I'm using my new mic. So after I go and edit these, I will figure out if I want to keep this mic or not. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Bye bye.